Women start chasing you when you set this in place. Imagine if, without changing your looks, income, or status, women started chasing you. Sounds wild, right? It happens the moment you set one specific thing in place. Stick with me. By the 6th shift, you'll see why she feels compelled to pursue you on her own. First time watching? We give daily dating tips for men. Subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell. You'll thank yourself tomorrow. 1. You stop explaining yourself. Think about it. Most guys waste hours over explaining why they didn't text back, or justifying why they're busy. The moment you stop handing out explanations like flyers at a street fair, she feels it. You're no longer giving her an open book she can skim through at will. Instead, she's holding a mystery novel with the first chapter ripped out. And let's be honest, people don't chase the obvious, they chase the unknown. When she doesn't get every little detail about your schedule or your feelings, curiosity pulls her in like gravity. She starts leaning forward, wondering, what's he really up to? That's the seed of pursuit. 2. You cut the background music. Picture a restaurant where there's always a soft hum of music in the background. You hardly notice it until it suddenly stops. And then silence feels heavy. That's exactly what happens when you stop filling every gap in conversation with compliments, jokes, or constant check-ins. She realizes the music she took for granted has faded. Now every word you do say carries weight. She has to work harder to keep the rhythm going, and in that extra effort, she starts chasing. 3. You act like time is your guest, not your boss. Here's where it gets subtle. Most guys rush. Rushing to reply, rushing to plan, rushing to prove. But when you treat time like a guest in your house, someone you politely host, but never let boss you around, women notice. You walk at your pace. You speak without racing. You make her way to beat before answering. That calm tempo tells her you're in command of your world, and suddenly she wants to sync her heartbeat with yours. She starts texting first, calling more often just to feel tethered to that steady pulse you carry. 4. You resist the bait of small ego tests. Let's be real. Sometimes she'll drop a playful jab, cancel plans last minute, or forget to reply just to see how you react. Most guys flinch. They send long paragraphs or double texts. But when you set in place the decision not to bite the bait, everything shifts. You shrug, you carry on, maybe even chuckle, and that restraint flips the script. Instead of thinking, I've got him wrapped around my finger, she thinks, why isn't he dancing to my tune? That question alone is the beginning of her chase. 5. You protect your rituals like treasure. Maybe it's your gym session at 7 a.m., your Sunday book hour, or the random hobby she doesn't fully get. The moment you start treating those rituals like they're non-negotiable, not something you cancel just because she called, she feels it. She realizes your world doesn't orbit around her and that your priorities are anchored. Funny enough, that's when she starts showing up more. She leans into your rituals, curious to be part of them, even if it means trying something outside her comfort zone. In chasing your attention, she's really chasing that solid foundation you've built. 6. You stay unshaken. When attraction surfaces, this one is the real kicker. Most men melt the second they realize a woman is interested. They start performing, over-investing, or dropping all standards. But when you set in place the choice to remain calm, to treat her attraction like it's expected, not shocking, the game changes. You nod, you smile, but you don't crumble. That steadiness makes her investment grow. It's like offering her a chair in your world instead of begging for a seat in hers. She feels safe to lean in, but challenged enough to keep proving her interest. That's when she starts chasing with full force. Up next, discover how to make women see your value, or learn how she touches you when she wants you. Thanks for watching.